What's good, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Shoshana.
I'm Vince.
And today we're checking out episode 6 of Chainsaw Man.
Don't she kind of remind you? Well, I was about to say no, Zenetsu, but I gotta see more character first.
I thought Ksami shit. I've been passed.
Yeah, they for sure locked in that place.
Yeah.
Man, there ain't no getting out of there. Look at my shirt. You got hit.
That is the bleacher. Damn. It's like the shadows. I love how he's in the bed.
Yep. I just realized that washer thing might be pulling.
Oh, the dishwasher?
Yeah. What you think? I'm sorry, y'all. That's all I'm gonna say.
Someone's got to keep the house clean.
Damn.
Oh, that is sad. Oh my goodness. He literally passed out.
No Denji don't care. Took
He's
shoes
just
off and everything.
yeah. He's just so grateful.
It's the AAT. damn, Jesus.
Holy
Lord.
cow. Hmm. It's great for socialism. That's a solid point. Damn. Ooh, that was a slap.
I know, right? Oh, I got some payback.
Hmm.
Like, dingy.
Two water.
Peer pressure.
Exactly. This is type A peer pressure, y'all.
I know, right?
Most people give in. Yep. That's how it starts.
First and last. She owe him that one. Yeah.
そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
Oh shit! Oh!
私が殺したはずじゃん。ホテルから出られない。見たこともない形状。こりゃ何の悪夢だ。
Oh shit! Did they hear that?
Nice.
Fuck.
What?
Oh, he's snitching on himself.
Oh.
Looks like what's the domain called?
Expansion?
Yeah, domain expansion, low key.
悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの。契約を片方が守ればもう片方も絶対に守らなければならない。守れずにやった方も死ぬ。だからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だ。姫野先輩、そいつは殺すべきです。一度そいつを殺して外に出た後に対策を練る。
Damn! What the fuck?
じゃあみんなホテルで餓死ですよ。デビルハンターが悪魔と契約することは法律でも認められている。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。悪魔は電池を殺したがっている。電池の死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。だから契約は受けない。じゃあ私も。嘘。わしが殺すのじゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。ノーベルのために死んでくれ。魔神と悪魔の契約を結べない。だからお前が電池を殺しても悪魔を外に出す義理はない。とにかく電池は殺さない。俺たちはデビルハンター。殺すのは悪魔だけだ。そう。
She's unbelievable.
質問するか。すぐ俺を殺そうとするからやだ。
Hell nah.
She's not even hiding it.
Let's wrestle. Nah.
マキ君、実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？悪魔の言葉を信じるなら奴を殺すことはできない。でも電池も殺すつもりはない。だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。どうしようもなくなったら刀を使います。それはダメ。刀使えば解決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。どうしようもなくなっ
Damn, what the fuck?
ベッドに置いておいた食料が全部ない。
Oh god, you would know who eating it. No surprise.
貴様ら全部食べたのか。わしじゃない。デンジが食べておった。
Oh my gosh.
嘘。分かっちゃった。私分かっちゃった。その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ。絶対そうだ。違うか。落ち着けコメリちゃん。こいつは血の魔人で。魔人をかばうの。私たちデビルハンターなのに。アライ君は悪魔の仲間なんだ。スパイだったんだ。スパイじゃ。悪魔の仲間なんかじゃ。
Oh my god, she's really.
That's probably why he goddamn big as hell, because of this one right here.
Right.
And this one.
And she keeps psyching herself out.
Oh, fuck.
何してんだ。その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり減るの。アキ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさんあるんだ。だからごめんね、店長。
Oh, he's gonna turn up?
Is he gonna feed her?
もし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったら、ジュン、まだ忘れてねえからな。たくさんなんかあるのか。そう言ってえけど、チェーンソーになる。
Right.
余計なことすんじゃねえよクソが俺が誰かに借りつくんのはもううんざりなんだよ外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな
Oh.
No!
Oh, wow, what an episode. Wow, so it's interesting, like their group, their people, these devil hunters are so different. So different.
Yeah.
So different than anything I think we've ever seen. Like they move so like they just move so different than like the other groups. Like, well, I will say also I'm thinking of like Demon Slayer people too, but they just it's not that they move like I don't know. I just wouldn't expect a person in the group to be like how she was, like that girl was. Like, she's literally like, let's kill Denji.
I'm not
at
gonna
all.
lie, she was so annoying this episode. I get she's scared and she didn't sign up for this and she just wanted to go to college and you know it's a horrible situation she's put in, but and she also stabbed Aki.
I know.
Like,
I mean, I guess maybe in attack they would do that too. I guess if somebody was dumb, petrified, they might. But I don't know. I feel like everybody in there was like they were willing to. Like if they signed up for the job, they was willing to go the distance.
well,
for
that's the
job.
point. She didn't sign up for the job. She was forced.
That is true.
So I get that, but she's still freaking also making the devil grow more and more because she's terrified.
Right. So but that's what I'm saying. Why bring her along? Well, maybe they know now. Maybe they didn't know before, but
Right.
they know now. Don't bring her ass along.
Yeah.
She gonna get y'all killed because she literally is not gonna help at all. And she can't even fight. And you know what? That kind of puts perspective on what I said. Remember, I was like, do any of them have powers? I'm not saying they make up the gist of all the people, the devil hunters, like without having a contract. But she wielding a butcher knife trying to do this. Like, she can't fight. She dead ass can't even fight. Like, and the other dude didn't look like he could fight either. It only seemed like him and maybe the girl with the patch because she got the contract too, though.
Right.
So I'm assuming if you don't have a contract,
Right.
then you're just a regular human pretty much in this show. So that's interesting as well. I'm very excited to see Denji go off with this chainsaw
Yes.
at the end of the episode, but it looks like the whole next episode is going to be straight chaos with the fighting.
Yeah, I'm excited for next episode. It looks like it's going to be insane. Because
Yes.
he just went right for it.
Yep, and it looks like Power is going to save Aki.
She is so funny, you guys.
Yeah, she is. I love her character. You know, I love her and then their carefree attitude with everything. I love that about them. You know, so yeah, it just makes for a great like combination with them two in the show. But another great episode. Can't wait to check out episode 7 with you guys. Sorry for any noise. Any and every noise y'all heard. I'm gonna try my best to cut anything I'm gonna try.
But on the bright side, you guys, we got new lighting, so you
Oh
won't
my
hear that
God.
buzzing noise anymore.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Yeah. Well, no, a lot of it too be the
AC?
The AC.
Ah.
Most of that just the AC. But
Well, can't take that out, so.
anyways, y'all can't wait to check out episode 7. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Check in the description.
Check out our Patreon down below for early access videos, exclusive content, much, much more.
Yeah.
We love you guys. We appreciate all the support.
Yes,
I'm talking about every single one of you.
that's facts.
So thank you. I will see y'all in the next video.
Peace.